So I went to another model car contest show thing. Let me show you what all I took. And I guess the thumbnail gave it away, so I'll just let y'all know I won. And the reason I'm doing it like this is because I've had a few people ask me how I safely transported my models after my last model car contest. And to me, the first thing that popped into mind was, well, I should bring a first aid kit of sorts. So I brought my UV glue with me just for small little repairs on site if something goes bad. And the bulb on that one's dying, so I had to lug around this big heavy flashlight. And outside of that, just a ton of padding to keep the models safe. Every microfiber cloth I could find, a few paper towels just because I had them on hand, and then one of them super fine, I don't know what kind of material it is. It's one of those rags for wiping off your glasses. So let's get into it. What did I take? First of all, it's every car you guys have seen me build on this channel. So I got the Dodge 330, my Audi R8, and of course my Enzo. And I'm bumping the camera there, sorry about that. Gotta reach around it to put everything up. So let's talk about this Enzo here real quick. I had this displayed fully opened. I had both doors propped up, I had the bonnet sitting behind it, and I had the weird wing thing in the upright position. So what I did is I went in there, I set up, and then I left. I came back just in time to hear the judges calling everybody's names that won. So I had no idea what the competition was like. And when I came back, I overheard two people talking about this. They're all like, wow, did he paint the carbon fiber in there? That's got to be a decal. Then they started looking closer and saw that I had braided line, and just listening to them talk about my car. I don't know why. Then I noticed, uh-oh, it's broken. You guys see the door panel still down inside of the body and not on the door? Yeah, we'll talk about that later. But first I'm going to get the rest of these kits unpacked. So I also took the 66. This is the first weathered build I did. And there's a lot of old school hot rodders in Wichita, Kansas. So I thought maybe they would like this. I don't really remember why I picked this up to show you something, then just kind of slammed it back down, but I knocked the tailgate off. That's okay, it would just press fit anyway. I also took this guy. There's a lot of hot rodders in Wichita, Kansas, and there's also a lot of people who like them Fast and the Furious cars. I'll just leave it at that. Little rice burners making noise, I hate them. But, well, they're there, so I thought that would appeal to them. I also took this guy. For those of you who've been here since the start, this is the very first car I built on this channel. And this build turned out extremely well, and I am very proud of it. I planned on taking the F8 Tributo since I just built it, but there was a problem. If you look at the comments on that video, somebody noted that I had forgot to remove the plastic film from the windshield. I did, I forgot. So I went to go carefully peel it off, and I just ripped the whole windshield off the car. So at the time I had that in glue, all holding back together. So I took the F430 instead. As you guys can see in the background there, I'm just showing you what went on with the Enzo. It's already fixed. It was harmless. It just, you see down there in the black on the door sill, I had glued over paint, and it just came apart. It's no big deal. But, guys, the Enzo was what won, despite the fact that it was visibly broken. Yeah,